Hello everyone, I am Siddhant and I am recording the demo day on 23rd of August. So this week I've been working on the Polar and the preview event. So let's start with Polar. So what we have here is I have two browsers open. So one you can identify by seeing this test icon here. So this is a open uh, this is a test website that I have created, and I'm logged in with a different user. And here I'm logged in with the admin user. So both users have access to this same site, and they both can make changes to this website. Uh, yeah. So what I'm gonna do is, let's say that I don't like this line, this from one, so I can just get rid of this from here, and I can save this. And if I come back here, you can see that that change got reflected in the both browsers. So I made a change here from the guest browser, and that change is also appears in the in this browser. So this is the job of the Polar, that will keep your content in sync with the server's content. So the as you can see, the other user saved their changes, and I got to see it in this browser instance. Now, so there is this. So one thing that you should know, that you would not immediately see those changes. For demo purposes, I have set the Polar to run every 3 seconds, but in production that will run once every minute. So you won't see the changes immediately, but you will get updates pretty frequently. Yeah, so let's say that I make another change. Let's say that I make this, I don't know, red. So, and I do not save it. So I keep it like this here. And let's say that here I make it blue and save it. So this is obviously creating a conflict. So in case of conflict, the changes won't be fetched, and there is no indication that you may have conflicts or anything else. The server basically sees that you have made a change to the same file that is updated on the server, so it does not simply send you the new content, which is definitely something that we have to work on. So in future, what we will be able to do is you will have some way of handling this conflict. Right now you cannot, and even if you save this, this won't save, and it does not also give you any feedback. But let's say if I try to save this, it did not do anything. And if I check the network logs, it does say that this file on the server has been modified by someone else. We don't show the error here, which is a bug. But yeah, so to fix this, you have to clear your cache and fix I don't think you can even fix this, work around this right now, but we'll soon have something for it. So yeah, this is something uh, to read remonstrate. Let's say that I want to add something to this block file. So let's say that I add a color red and actually text some block body, and I save this. I can, as you can see, I get the content here. So this is Polar. The second thing that I have been working on this week is the preview revamp. So in the earlier versions of this preview, if you would go and let's say that I want to link the blog page from here, uh, read my blocks, and uh, so when I click on this, I am now redirected to the blog page, which is this guy. And so this is the part of the preview event. So this did not used to work, but we have fixed this now. So the how we render previews has been changed uh, pretty significantly, and there are some more planned features that are still in progress. So what do I mean by that? First of all, this thing works now, which did not used to. Uh, One thing that you will notice is that when I visit this link, I have no way to come back from this to the index file, the preview of the index file. So that we need to add. We will soon have a URL of a URL bar with uh, forward and backward button for navigation, and there will also be a a lock icon. So when you change files, you will have the option to lock the preview to a single URL, and that will keep on updating. So yeah, so that is the preview revamp that is in progress. So there is one more thing that you may have noticed that I am on demoing it on localhost. That means does not exist on the production preferred website at the time of recording. Do I want to say anything else on the call? Probably not. Yeah. So that is it for this week. Polar and the preview revamp. See ya.